Hey coaches, Mark Molinari here with Coach Tactix. This video is going to focus on site navigation, creating shortcuts, maximizing screen space. So let's get started with shortcuts. We have these X's or stars here. The stars you can click on. If you were to click on a star, you'll notice that it will create a shortcut over here on the left-hand side, and those can be saved. If you would like to get rid of them, simply clicking on the X will remove the shortcut as well. If you're ever inside an area and you want to get back to the home page, the dashboard is where you go, and it will bring you right back to that. Okay, our shortcuts can be pinned and unpinned so that you can see them. Again, once again, if you just need a little bit of screen space. I really suggest using what we call our hamburger here. Our hamburger gonna go ahead and maximize a little bit more screen space from left to right. And so when you're inside working on your managed plays or your play wizard, the hamburger allows you just to have a little bit extra. I also suggest being in full screen. That really helps, again, if you're on a laptop to get some of those areas. And then also if you're on a laptop, we tend to suggest being at 80% in your zoom inside your browser. Coach Tactix seems to be pretty successful working in Chrome. If you were to use another browser, probably would work as well, but we suggest being at 80% inside that browser. Just kind of helps getting everything on the screen as best that you can. I'd like to take you through how you can change your colors and kind of customize what Coach Tactix can look like for you. So underneath the admin area, we have color scheme. It's pretty self-explanatory. Pick your color and your background colors, whether you want to change your text to white, dark, whatever it is that you would like. We allow you full customization of all those things. And then upload and brand your CT website with your logo as well. So you have a couple different options there. Love for you guys to make it yours and feel comfortable with that. If you go to the profile will help you change your password. If you wanted to change it, change your email, send verification, you can do that as well. Coaches, we have created a guided tutorial we call Getting Started. There's a yellow icon in the bottom right-hand corner. When you click on here, Getting Started will pop up and it will be in the middle of your screen. You can move the Getting Started left to right, but it does gray things out. We highly encourage you to read everything on here. Yes, it can be a little bit cumbersome to read all of this text, but it's very important that you understand the thought process and how Coach Tactix works. The other neat thing with Getting Started, is only 10 steps. So once you've completed those 10 steps, we feel fairly confident that getting through this will get you up and running and help saving you time as you start heading into your season. As you click next on Getting Started, you'll notice in the background that we're taking you to different spots. Right now we are on step 2, which is data points. If I continue to click the next screen as I'm working through these, on step 3 takes you to a different area. Step 4, we are now going to be in the play wizard. Once you get through the first 6 steps, you're really going to be up and running and understanding the philosophy of how Coach Tactix works. If you click the X at any time, it's going to take you out of the Getting Started, but notice that it's still hovering back here in this area so that you can go to work. If you click on the yellow, it will bring it back. If you happen to click the skip Getting Started and it goes away, you can always reset it to go back to where you came from by clicking on your profile in the upper right-hand corner. Turn the tutorial back on, go back and to your dashboard, refresh, and Getting Started will reappear. It will reset where you're at, but you can quickly get to whatever step that you were before and get started. If you never click skip Getting Started, it will always keep track of where you're at. So if you pick up on another day, you can just pick up right where you left off and continue your training. We have a few other features that we have for you. If you happen to be on a certain page in the upper right-hand corner, if I'm working on the Play Wizard, we have video. This will also take you directly to a video that is correlated with that page. So here we are talking about the Play Wizard. We also have a help icon as well, and the help is specific to that page. We think that's really helpful, so you could be in certain situations where maybe you're adding your data here in a few days, or wherever you're at in your training, you click on help and it's managing data points. If I was to be in another area, we're talking about manage plays. You'll notice when I click on my help here, the help is specific for managing your plays. So we have lots of different ways for you to get trained up, whether you like watching YouTube videos, going through the guided tutorial, we really feel that we've created something that will help you save time so you can spend time with your family, watch more film, or spend it any way that you think is going to be best for you. If you have any questions, reach out to us, support@CoachTactix.com.